Hey guys, I want to show you how you can make your first $1,000 with the Systeme.io affiliate program. But more importantly, I want to review the entire affiliate program, how it works, and how I've been able to make a good amount of income, and I barely started promoting this software. Now, the cool thing about Systeme.io, it's an all-in-one solution to a business trying to build their business online. So if someone needs a funnel builder, they need an email autoresponder, they need a webinar software, any of these things, this software can literally do it all. And the cool thing about it is it's 100% free. You don't even need a credit card to sign up for it. Now, as an affiliate, you're like, okay, well, how am I gonna make money if this software is free? Well, that's why I wanna explain how the affiliate software works and how you can actually start making money with this. Now guys, I went ahead and logged into my Systeme.io affiliate dashboard. Now to get here, you simply go to the dashboard and hit affiliate dashboard, okay? Now if you don't have an affiliate account yet, I'm gonna leave a link down below. I'm gonna leave that in the first link, which is gonna lead you to my Systeme.io link, where it's gonna have you sign up for this free affiliate program and the software. So the first link down below gives you access to not only the software, but also the affiliate program, okay? They're kind of tied into one, which is really nice. You don't have to create multiple logins, all right? So once you log in, basically you can go to the dashboard, go to the affiliate dashboard, and you can see all your stats, okay? So let me kind of explain how this works, okay? So you can see how many leads you've sent to them, your earnings, how much you've been paid out, how much is pending. All this is all in the dashboard here, okay? So the cool thing is you can see how much you made in the last 30 days, the last 7 days. Now the reason it's pending is because there's a refund period. So if someone refunds, obviously you wouldn't get that yet, but obviously they can go ahead and pay you out once that reaches the refund period, okay? Now the cool thing is they pay out with PayPal. So if you have a PayPal email address, you can literally upload that to your affiliate dashboard and they can simply pay you out using PayPal. So let's talk about some of the stats here. The cool thing is they tell you like, okay, this is how many people signed up for the free software, and this is how many people actually became a customer. So a 5% conversion rate, almost a 6. Not bad, guys, especially since it's a free software. The cool thing is Systeme.io builds goodwill with their audience. They're giving them free access to their software. So eventually people will upgrade because they need to build their business. They need more of the premium features. Now, that being said, the free software already does a lot, but you know, eventually as your business grows, you'll need to upgrade. So that's why I like promoting this, because it's free for the customer, but eventually they need to grow their business. So that's kind of how this works right here. Now, if I scroll down, there's actually something called marketplace offers. Now, this is really cool. I didn't know this until I started getting these random commissions, okay? So there's multiple like courses inside of Systeme.io inside their marketplace. When someone buys, let's just say you send a lead to Systeme.io. So let's just say you send somebody, you know, to the software, and it's a free software, and then they email, right? Let's just say they send an email for one of these courses and they buy, well, then you get a commission, which is pretty cool because I didn't know that. I just sent them a lead and they do a lot of the heavy lifting for you, okay? So that's pretty cool because there's a lot of courses within the Systeme.io marketplace, okay? So I just want to mention that as well. So as you can see, it kind of shows you how many leads you've got, how many sales, all that good stuff here. Now, if we scroll up to the top, we can actually go to this marketplace and you can simply promote any of these courses and get commission, okay? So that's pretty cool as well. Also, if they promote it and you get a sale, then you get the commission as well, okay? So very, very cool. Now, one thing that is also super, super cool is its second tier commissions, okay? So if someone, let's just say you go back here, let's just say you send a lead, right, to Systeme.io and they become a customer or just a free affiliate, okay? Well, if this customer now gets another customer to buy, well, then you get 2-tier commissions, right? So, you know, you're gonna get 40% commission here for the first customer. And if this customer sends someone and they buy, then they're gonna get 10%, which is super, super cool, all right? So that's something I wanna mention as well, is not only you get the first tier, but second tier commissions as well. Now guys, I want to allow you to literally copy and paste my exact strategy on how I'm promoting this software, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm sending people to a free book, a free funnel, where I'm exchanging it for an email address, but then I'm giving them a ton of free value. Let me show you what I mean. So this is a free book that I give to someone on how to quit their 9-to-5 job and how to become a super affiliate. Now, within this free book, okay, if we scroll down, you can see I have a link here that says check out Systeme.io here. And then I have them go to my affiliate link, which is this right here, okay? So what I'm doing for my students is I'm allowing them to copy and paste this exact same funnel, this exact same book, and I'm allowing them to use it as their own, okay? So I'm letting them basically white label my funnel, my book, but the best part about it is I'm letting them use their own links within this book. Now guys, if you are interested in copying and pasting this exact same book, this exact same funnel, I'm gonna leave a link to that down below. That'll be the second link in the YouTube description. That'll be to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I'm going to show you how I get multiple commissions using the affiliate stacking ecosystem and how you can quit your 9-to-5 job. But more importantly, guys, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste this exact book, this exact funnel inside my 3-day challenge. So on day number 2, you can literally go, I'm going to show you how to set this up, scroll down, and you can get your free funnel here. Okay, so all this is in the 3-day challenge where you can literally copy and paste my exact book in my exact same funnel. And this is exactly what I did to get my first commission with Systeme.io and their affiliate program. But more importantly, this is how I'm helping my students get their first commission, not only with Systeme.io, but with multiple programs. And this is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. So if you want to learn more, again, guys, I'm going to leave a link to that down below so you guys can get access to my 3-day challenge and get access to all my tools and all my resources so you can use as your own. Now guys, I hope this video was of value. I hope that you learned a lot on how I get commissions with the Systeme.io affiliate program. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments down below. Please subscribe to this channel if you found any value, and we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.